My name is Mrs. Alford, and I teach Biotech 2, Biotech 3, and Biology Honors at Oviedo High School. In Biotech 2 and 3, students gain a much deeper knowledge of genes, DNA, proteins, immunology, and then a big focus is to bring in lab skills and techniques that are used in the industry on those topics.
We can gain the really great hands-on experience that we get in the labs, and we also get to do a bunch of fun labs as well, like we're currently doing P-Glow, where we get to transform bacteria and inputting new plasmids into bacteria.
In a lot of our classes, we're just memorizing or learning one specific topic. I think in bioscience, we can combine all of those together and actually put them to use, actually see them happening, do the experiment, and see the result live that we created.
I've always had a passion for science, and in high school, the bioscience program really stood out to me because it showed me like laboratory techniques and a lot of hands-on learning rather than just like textbook learning.
I actually, when I first started at Oviedo, I had a mentor who had just graduated from Oviedo, and they said that the bioscience program was what eventually told them what they wanted to study and what they wanted to be when they grow up. And it was just really inspiring. And now that I'm actually in it, I just love how we get to learn different things every day that we wouldn't normally get to learn about.
I'm Sherry Brinkman, and I teach Agri-Science Foundations 1 at Oviedo High School. So the Agri-Science Foundations 1 class basically runs the gamut from the history of agriculture through plants and also through food science, as well as animal, not just animal care, but also understanding genetically modified organisms, both in animals and plants, and then also goes into leadership and career choices in agriculture.
Me personally, I took it because my house almost looks like a greenhouse with a bunch of plants, and animals always fascinated me in great ways, and I would love to scientifically kind of mess with them.
I guess for me, the most exciting is animals, because obviously animals are just so fun to like learn about and just in general like interact with. I believe that we're actually going to be able to grow our own chickens here and raise them and be able to take them home once they're too big.
So the students for Foundations, Ag Foundations 1, they get to take an Ag Associate certification test, and while they're in our class, they will get to learn how to extract DNA, they will get to learn how to take care of animals, they will get to learn how to connect some of the real world issues that we have with food security, and connect how some problem solving to be able to try to figure out some ideas of how to actually solve some of the issues that we have on our earth.
Well, I think it's amazing how students love knowledge and then love to do it. So they like to learn about it, and then they like to go and actually practice it. And I think that's a very neat connection. So they can learn about something, and then they actually go and do a lab with it, and then they can take it in their own direction. So I think they really make that connection when they do those labs, and they really fall in love with that. I would encourage them to always keep questioning, always dig deeper, and do research to really learn what is out there.